si Annika Kennedy, 17 years old, and I am honored to represent the home of the Tuba Festival for the municipality of Bourbon. Gilak Bourbon, Boom Bourbon! This festival pink costume was crafted with elegance and history in mind. It weaves a vibrant tribute to the intricate process of tapping and fermenting tuba and its cultural significance. It is adorned with woven wood beads and captivating tuba-inspired patterns to pay homage to the traditional craftsmanship. It also incorporates earthy tones and textures, celebrating the artisanal skills and the deep-rooted connection between the land, the coconut, and the community. Tara na! Magtagay na ta! Thank you!
Mosunod, gikan sa lungsod sa Madre de Dios. Aniya ang Festival Queen sa Isda Festival.